Your windshield wipers are ruining your view every single time it rains. You squint, you lean forward, you turn the wipers up, and still that streak comes back, right across your eye line, every single swipe. You already know the fix mechanics will sell you. New wiper blades, $25 a pair if you're lucky. $50 if you're not. And here's the part that actually makes people mad. Most of the time your blades aren't even broken. They're just dirty, coated in a thin film you can't even see. Today, I'm showing you the $2 fix sitting in your kitchen right now. It fixes streaky wipers in under 10 minutes. No new blades, no dealership visit, no wasted money. Stay until the end, because the last tip will save you even more. Let's talk about how annoying this actually is. You're driving in the rain. Traffic is heavy. Visibility is already bad. And your wipers are smearing water across the glass instead of clearing it. That's not just annoying, that's dangerous. You can't see the car braking in front of you clearly. You can't see the crosswalk. You're wiping your own windshield with your sleeve at a red light like it's 1995. And the solution, everyone tells you, buy new blades. So you go to the auto parts store. You grab a pair, $15, $25, sometimes $40 for the premium ones. When you install them, they work great for 2 weeks. Then the streaking comes back. Sound familiar? That's because new blades were never the real problem. The rubber edge on your wiper picks up road grime, exhaust residue, tree sap, and a waxy film from car washes. That film builds up on the blade edge every single week you drive. Nobody tells you that. So you keep replacing blades every few months, spending $50, $70, sometimes over $100 a year, when the fix was never about the blade being worn out. It was about what's stuck on it. Mechanics aren't lying to you exactly. They just don't mention the cheap option first, because there's no markup on a bottle of vinegar sitting under your sink. So here's what's actually happening on that rubber blade. Every time you drive, invisible residue builds up. Silicone from car wash treatments, waxes from those protectant sprays, road film, pollen, exhaust particles. All of it sticks to the rubber edge in a layer so thin you'd never notice it by looking. But your windshield notices. That thin film is exactly what causes the streaking, the skipping, and the squeaking you've been dealing with. This isn't some secret the auto industry buried decades ago. It's just basic chemistry that never got explained to regular drivers. Distilled white vinegar is acetic acid mixed with water. Acetic acid is a mild acid, strong enough to break down wax, silicone residue, and mineral buildup, but gentle enough not to damage rubber wiper blades when used the right way. That's the whole trick. You're not buying new blades. You're just cleaning the old ones properly, the way almost nobody actually does. A full pair of quality wiper blades costs $25 to $50. A bottle of white vinegar costs about $2, and one bottle will last you for months of maintenance, not just one. Windshield. Auto detailers and quick lube shops sometimes upsell wiper blade conditioning as an add-on service, and that can run you $15 to $30 for something you can do yourself in your driveway in 10 minutes. This isn't about a hidden conspiracy. It's about a fix that's simply more profitable to skip past than to mention. All right, here's exactly how to do this. First, grab a clean microfiber cloth or paper towel, a bowl, and white distilled vinegar. Do not use apple cider vinegar or any colored vinegar. They can stain the rubber. Second, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in your bowl. If your blades are really grimy, you can use vinegar at full strength instead. That's fine for occasional deep cleaning. Third, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield so the blade is fully exposed. Most cars let you pull the arm up and it locks in place. Fourth, dip your cloth in the vinegar solution and run it firmly along the entire rubber edge of the blade from one end to the other. You'll actually see grime coming off onto the cloth. That's the film we're talking about. Fifth, flip to a clean section of the cloth and wipe the blade again to remove any leftover residue. Repeat until the cloth comes away clean. Sixth, take a separate dry cloth and wipe the blade completely dry before lowering the arm back down. Do not skip this step, a wet blade. Sitting against hot glass can develop new streaking. Finally, wipe down the windshield itself with the same vinegar solution, since grime on the glass causes just as many streaks as grime on the blade. One quick tip here. Do this on a cloudy day or in the shade. Vinegar dries too fast in direct sun and can leave its own streaks behind. And one thing to avoid, never use paper towels alone on the blade edge without the vinegar first. Dry wiping can actually grind grit into the rubber and make streaking worse over time. Here's what you'll notice almost immediately. That annoying streak straight across your eye line usually disappears on the very next rainfall. No skipping, no chattering sound, no smearing water sideways across the glass. Drivers who try this consistently describe the difference as night and day compared to before cleaning. Especially if their blades hadn't been cleaned in months. This isn't a permanent fix that lasts forever. Nothing on a car works that way. But cleaning your blades this way every 3 to 4 weeks can meaningfully extend the life of a single pair of wiper blades, often letting them perform well for 6 months to a year, longer than they would have left dirty and eventually tossed out early. Compare that to constantly replacing blades every few months because you assumed they were worn out when they just needed a $2 cleaning. Over a year, that's the difference between spending $5 or $10 on vinegar and spending $50 or $100 on blades you didn't actually need yet. If this helped you see the road a little clearer, hit like on this video. It genuinely helps this channel keep making practical stuff like this instead of ads dressed up as advice. Subscribe if you want more simple, honest fixes that save you real money without the upsell. And here's that last tip I promised. Keep a small travel-sized spray bottle of the vinegar and water mix in your glove box. Anytime your wipers start streaking mid-drive, pull over, give the blades a quick wipe, and you're back to a clear windshield in under a minute. Next time, I'm breaking down another $2 trick, this one for headlights that have gone cloudy and yellow. You don't need to keep throwing money at problems that a bottle from your own kitchen can fix.